Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of SEO and how it can help you grow your YouTube channel. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, understanding SEO is essential for reaching a wider audience and achieving your goals. So, let's dive in. SEO, search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing your website and its content to increase the quality and quantity of traffic from search engines through organic search results. The ultimate goal of SEO is to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for relevant search queries, which can drive more traffic to your website and potentially increase conversions and revenue. There are two main types of SEO, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to optimizing the content and structure of your website, including the use of keywords, meta tags, and internal linking. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, refers to the external factors that can influence your website's rankings, such as backlinks and social media activity. SEO involves a variety of techniques and strategies, and it requires ongoing effort and monitoring to be effective. Some common SEO techniques include keyword research, content creation, link building, technical optimization, and analytics tracking. While SEO can be a complex and constantly evolving field, it is an essential component of any digital marketing strategy. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can attract more traffic, improve your online visibility, and ultimately grow your business.